Ever walked into a room and felt like some people own the space? No word spoken yet, but you can sense who's insecure. You can sense who's putting on a show. You can sense who silently holds all the cards. That's not intuition. That's a skill. Here's the kicker. You can learn it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to read people. You'll decode patterns and think strategically. You're not just keeping up, you're staying ahead. Ready? Let's dive into the playbook. Step 1. Stop trying to look smart. The smartest person isn't hogging the spotlight or using big words. It's the one quietly observing, collecting information like a detective. Real intelligence doesn't need applause. It operates with precision. Loud voices often compensate for insecurity. Truly sharp minds strike only when it counts. Instead of showing off, focus on gathering intel and staying strategic. Let your actions speak louder than any performance. Step 2. Ask the question no one else asks. Why? Most people fixate on what was said, but real insight lies in the intent. Why did they say that? What's behind the joke? What insecurity or motive might be fueling their reaction? Words are often just a mask, but tone, timing, and body language matter. Learn to crack the real code to stop being blindsided. Understand what people truly mean. Step 3. Use silence like a chess master. Some control conversations without saying much. It's strategic silence. Pause before speaking, and people will lean in. Let them fill the gaps, revealing more than intended. Silence makes people uncomfortable, leading to slips. Smart people let the noise die down, then shift the room with one sentence. Master silence, and you'll master the pace. Step 4. Stay calm always. Sharp minds don't avoid conflict, but handle it surgically. When disrespected or provoked, they don't lash out or panic. They stay composed, observe, and file it away for later. The goal isn't to win the argument, it's to win the game. Emotional reactions are predictable, and predictability is weakness. Train to stay calm under pressure and turn challenges into advantages. Step 5. Build your mental fortress. None of this works if your inner world is chaotic. You can't outthink others if your own thoughts sabotage you. The voice saying, "You're not good enough?" It's lying. You're not unworthy, you're just untrained. Sharpen your focus and discipline your impulses. Treat mental clarity like a muscle and work it daily. A scattered mind leads to scattered actions. A disciplined mind leads to being dangerous. The big takeaway: command respect without relying on brute force. They walk into a room and change the energy effortlessly. They don't demand attention. They earn it with clarity and control. Train these skills, and soon you won't just be heard. You'll be followed. Now the next move is yours. Start practicing these strategies today. Watch how the dynamics shift around you.